Well, a very warm welcome to this live broadcast on this Monday evening. This is Pastor Julian speaking to you. And so tonight, before the sacred fire, we come to hear the revelation that was given to me by Gwydion on Sunday evening. And so in the peace and the quietness of the evening, let us together hear the revelation. I feel you. I feel the freshness of the dew over the morning grass. Gwydion, I sense your presence in this moment by the trees. I cannot see you, but you envelop me and see me, for the rushing water deafens your footsteps, creating your enigma. Whispers, whispers, whispers. Who are you? Where do you reside? In the trees or in my heart? Gwydion and AllFather Odin, one and the same but different paths. In my mind I speak to you both, and an illumination fills the temple of my mind. Yet if I think of mortal cares, the temple's illumination fades and the darkness approaches. Yet if I think or mention both of your names, a rainbow of illumination fills the entire sanctuary. I, Gwydion, am ascending in blue as vast as the oceans. I hover over the world of men. My face is of blinding gold. I see all things, and my golden face will transfigure mankind. Men will ask, where have you come from? I come from nothingness and dust. And men shall deceive themselves and say they are not afraid of me, but they are. They are in awe, because my light is irresistible. The ravens of Odin are two, but there are many ravens that form a mantle around us by the eternal fire. For as above, so below. I sit in the middle of nothingness, for there is nothing below my feet but the vast cosmos. Do not be foolish in the coldness that stands on the perimeter of the divine. Tiredness will overcome the nations, and they shall see me walking into the eternal woodlands. Confident I shall ascend the mighty mountain. There they shall shout in the world of men, their heads held up, and right before them shall appear angels, and rising before them the giant maiden with many wings of angels. She is mighty and glorious. She dwarfs all creation by her stature, and she takes men away. A flowing mantle of green, she soars through the heavens, and as she breaks earth's sound barriers, she turns from east to west. She is surrounded by rainbows of colours, and the entire night sky changes to purple as she journeys homeward bound. We worship you, O Gwydion. Bestow us thy signs. And so I hope that you've enjoyed this revelation that was given to me by Gwydion on a Sunday evening. From here in the sanctuary on this Monday evening, my blessings to you all. And so we turn now, as the flame burns, to pray to our AllFather Odin.
I sing all the tales of the wanderer, the rider Feel